Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your sign-up form in Mailchimp and all of the standard operational emails that Mailchimp will send out on your behalf. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I put out tutorials all the time. The question I get most often about this is where to find them. You're going to go here to Audience and then Sign-up Forms. And then all of these standard emails are actually under this form builder here. If we scroll down here, we will see our sign up form. This is a form you can share with people so they can sign up for your emails. And this is the default branding that Mailchimp gives us that we're going to change. Once you change the branding on this form, it will affect all of the other emails that you have to do. All of the other emails are here. We'll dig into that in a second. So this is your general sign up form. You have all of your fields here and you can choose whether they're visible or hidden. And then save the field. But right now we're going to change the branding. So this is the name of your audience. And I'm going to change it to my logo. So I'm going to use an image. Pick my logo. I'm now going to pick the size of it. My logo is on the round side. I'm going to make it 125 pixels. And then you always want to make sure that if you have a logo anywhere in your email that it links to your website, because people just expect that if they click a logo, it'll go to their website. So I'm going to enter that here and have it open in its own window. Blink. I've changed my logo and now I want to change some of the colors here. So I'm going to go to Design It. Instead of this gray background, I'm going to... I actually don't mind the gray so much, but I'm going to lighten it up a little bit. There we go. The body of your email is the center section. I'd recommend leaving it white. Under the form here, you can change what color your button is. It defaults to a gray. I want mine to be my nice hot pink color that I use, so I'm going to put that in there. I'll scroll back down and see it. There we go. And when I hover over, it changes to a different color. Again, you can switch that color too. If you want to take the Mailchimp logo off of your email or off of your sign-up form, you can do that here. And then we can check it. So I can copy this and paste it into a new window. This is my new sign-up form that I can share on social media or anywhere else to get people to sign up for my email list. Now let's check the other emails that we may want to customize. If we hop back over here, this menu here has all of those pre-made emails that Mailchimp may use to keep in touch with our contacts. For example, this sign up thank you page. You can see the branding has already switched to match what I did on the other one. You can change some of the text here depending on what you need. Or actually for this one, you can also just have them go right to your website as soon as they sign up. Unsubscribe forms, profile editing forms. So all of those things are right in here for you to customize. I hope that helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you around.